Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had already learned the concept of subtraction. Now today, we will learn how to understand and solve word problems of subtraction. So, are you ready to learn the new concept? Fine. Take out page number 36. Read and solve. On this page, we have some word problems. So, let's solve it. Remember children, when the words such as how many are left, how many will remain, come in a story, we have to subtract the given numbers. Okay? So, you all know that what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means when you take away objects from a group and then count how many are left, right? So, let's start this to solve the word problems. Remember, when we solve the word problems, first we will read the story, okay, and then try to understand what it tells and understand the question that is being asked. Okay, now let's read the given story. Nagma had 5 berries. She gave 3 berries to Salma. How many berries are left with Nagma now? So, Nagma had 5 and 3 berries given to Salma. So, from 5 berries, we will cross out 3 berries. 1, 2, 3. How many berries are left now? Let's count. 1, 2. So, the equation is 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Therefore, 2 berries are left. Now, the next question. A fruit basket contained 9 custard apples. My brother distributed 6 of them to his friends. Find the number of custard apples remaining in the basket. So children, here remaining means you have to do subtraction. So 9 custard apples in the basket, and how many custard apples are distributed? Correct, 6. So we write here 6. Now from 9 custard apples, we will cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. We will write here 3. Therefore 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Now the next question. There were 3 pencils with Samira. She gave 1 pencil to her friend. How many pencils are left with Samira now? So, how many pencils Samira had? Correct, 3 pencils. So, we write here 3. And how many pencils given to her friend? Correct, only 1. So, we write here 1. Now, from 3 pencils, we cross out 1 pencil. Now, count how many pencils are left. 1, 2. Only 2 pencils, right? So, we write here 2. Therefore, 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So, how many pencils are left with Samira? 2 pencils. Correct. Now, the next sum. There were 4 laddus in a jar. Balbir ate one of them. How many laddus are there in the jar now? So there are 4 laddus in a jar. है ना? So we write here 4. And how many laddus eaten by Balbir? Only 1. So we write here 1. Now put the minus sign here. Now from 4 laddus we will cross out 1 laddu. Now let's count how many laddus are left. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. We will write here 3. Therefore 4 minus 1 equals to 3. And how many laddus are there left in the jar? 3 laddus. Understood? So I think your concept is clear. Now take out page number 37. On this page some subtractions are given. So in today's homework you have to solve these subtractions. Okay. Try to solve these subtractions in your textbook as well as in your maths notebook. And one more homework is there, that you have to solve all subtraction word problems of page number 36 in your maths notebook and textbook. Okay. Bye bye. Take care and have a nice day.